Well, here we are in Clinton, and this is my first time ever here. We have ourselves what looks like...
You missed last year.
I did miss last year. I was told it was really good.
Youth class?
Really?
Okay.
Congratulations there, buddy.
PT Cruiser?
Tough cars.
Sitting on top of the beer tent fence.
I think
Not a good idea.
I think I seen that.
That's him.
All over Facebook.
They're like, what's the guy's name? And it says right on the back of the car, my name is Dalton.
My name's Dalton. What we have is an Accord. This looks like to be a 97, 96? No?
Which one?
That one.
Oh, one.
Oh, one, really? I think those frames are pretty tough in the front end on those things. We have a Cavalier here, square tubing. Both of these are mini smash. And what looks to be a Cadillac.
Sunfire.
Yep. It's a Sunfire.
Sunfire, sorry.
Same
83.
83 Cadillac. 307?
Nope.
Oh.
350. Small block Chevy.
Someone's done a little bit of a TBI swap.
Had to.
Had
The
to.
400 motor blew up in it.
They're not very reliable.
No, it was getting tight and I lost reverse. So I put a small block Chevy.
It's cheaper that way.
Yeah, actually better on fuel.
Better on fuel. Oh.
All I need is a boat tank.
Yeah. Pretty bone stock car here. As you can see, there's no cage, no nothing really inside of this thing. Hopefully he does good tonight.
Don't need it if you know how to drive.
Don't need it if you know how to drive. The rules for this demolition derby on the website said Pro Stock, Pro Mini, and trucks. But I think there's a little bit of confusion because a lot of straight stock full size showed up. So here's an Oldsmobile full size straight stock. Something that's a little bit interesting about this car is it had a plastic speaker deck. So once that's removed, it is a giant opening back there. So it'll be interesting to see how this thing does. Big dumper on the toilet, sorry, on the back of it. This is one of the cars I really wanted to come here and see how it does. This is a Ford Fusion. Looks pretty bone stock, 4-cylinder. If you guys don't know, I've been wanting to get one of these cars for quite some time. I think that these things are going to be pretty mean. And the front ends of them, they look very tough. They really do. I'd like to see how this car does. So we have ourselves a Ford Taurus here. Again, this thing looks pretty stock. It's nice to see these stock cars around every now and then. See how they actually hold up right off the street. Just talked to the gentleman. He told me that this car started being built basically this morning. So you gotta love these last minute builds to get ready for the Derby. What's the hood off of?
Truthfully, not sure. It was in a pile.
No idea even what the hood's off of. But if she fits, she sits. We got ourselves a Chevy truck here, square tubing bumper. She's been through a couple runs. Good to see it out again, getting some life put back into it. Still looks straight. And a lot of you guys might remember Infected. Let's see how this thing does tonight. Not being taken out for a dead battery again, that's for sure. So we got the generator going and an alternator this time. This looks like a Chevy sedan. Pretty big tires on it, a little bit of plate up front. Looks like a pretty clean build. A little bit of pre-bending, trunk bent down. Not very bad, looks good. We got ourselves a Crown Vic over here. Again, really big tires. I always thought you'd want to put little tires on the back if you could hit the extra speed and the torque inside the ring, but I don't know. To each their own, right? Honda Civic. Pretty stock build.
Alright, we'll just take it easy.
Got ourselves a Crown Vic here, some V-treads on the back. Looks to be in really good shape. That's one thing I'm thinking about, is a lot of these cars that are showing up here are in amazing shape. Square body Vic, factory motor. This guy knows his square bodies, that's for sure. We have another Camry here. Apparently this thing's a couple years old and been around the block a couple times. Still looks like a tough car to be contending with. A couple power wheels. Now this truck here, when I seen this first pull in, I thought this was a Ford F-150. But then I thought, what Ford comes with 6-bolt rear axles? If you take a look at the tailgate, it actually says Toyota Tundra. I've never seen a Toyota Tundra run. I know there's been a lot of talk about Toyotas kind of running in the derby truck world. So let's see how this thing does tonight. Just going to pass tech right now. It's running really good. Oh, look at that, another Camry. Now, remember how I said there was Pro Stock? So these are the guys that showed up for Pro Stock. Chevy Motors and Ford cars. Some very nice builds here. Very clean gas tank setups, very clean builds, tubing, cages. I'm not sure if they're actually going to run because there's not that many that showed up. So I think it's up to the promoter at this point in time, but there is some very nice built Pro Stocks here. This one here actually has an LS in it. He told me that he spent about an hour polishing all 4 rims on this. Told him to go for best in show. Looks nice. Pretty beat up Crown Vic over here. Looks like it's been around the block once or twice. Not sure, it hasn't been unloaded yet. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. 444. Looks like a Sunfire over there. Maybe figure 8, another Power Wheels. Chevy truck. Gonna put this around to 97. Lots of trucks showed up. Pretty impressed with the showing of trucks.